Drill 4 fixing holes to position the unit either vertically or horizontally to suit the plumbing and wiring. Never mount the unit upside down. Fit the unit onto a flat section of wall away from any potential water spray. Feed the electric cable through the grommet on the side or rear of the back plate, having first scored with a knife to allow entry. Connect the inlet and outlet pipes, making sure the service valve is fitted on the inlet. Fix the unit onto the wall using the screws supplied. Strip back the insulation on live, neutral and earth wires to suitable lengths. Connect the cable to the terminal block and earth stud. Tighten the inlet and outlet connections. Fit the unit cover, tighten the retaining nuts and fit the nut covers. If the unit is supplying a basin, turn on the hot water tap and set the power selector to high to check the water flows out at the required temperature.